3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. You joined this live today and you chose DOD. Let's go. What up, everybody? Let's get this live stream popping. All right, let's get it, y'all. Let's get to the moolah today. Let's get to the moolah today. We need a repeat of yesterday. Nice 50, 60, 70, 80-point trade. And then moving on with our day. All right, let's get this live on TikTok too. Let's go. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading, and it's 6:57 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's go. It's a good day to choose DOD. Oops. Why that went there? Coming out of my cage, and I've been doing just fine. Yo, 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 what's good, Team Bull? TBT. Team DOD, Team TBT. And it's all in my head, but just something that says no. I take on these trades. What's up? Trying to build the double bar cheat sheet, what to look for. Nice. It's awesome. You woke up excited to get to the money. Well, that's how you know we're on the same page, my bro. Rupesh, I am Indian. Hello, you've told me that 7 times. I'm Jacob. Nice to meet you. Open up my ego. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? What's happening? Yep, happy birthday, Grizzly.
Is it already our birthday again?
Yeah, it's your birthday a lot. I am Indian and I am profitable trader. I understand. You can't not spam my chat like that. Glad you're a profitable trader, bro. You will be. You got timeout. What are you watching for today, bro? See anything you like?
I like this setup. They have pre-market.
What you watching for pre-market? A bounce or reject?
I don't know if you can see my chart.
I can't. It doesn't let me look at it when I'm sharing screen too. At least I don't know how to. But what are you looking for? Never mind, I found it. I got it.
That 25,100 area for reject. That's all I'm watching. Other than the 15-minute range.
Nice.
Very strong hourly supply.
Nice. I want us to just get one real nice trade today. That's all we need. Hey, Cody Sutton, I appreciate you, bro. Said 135, 150 here watching, only 7 likes so far. What are we doing? Get them thumbs up moving, baby. Come on. If you're ready to have a DOD type of day, you're ready to choose discipline today. Stay focused, trade smart, trade safe. Give that like a thumbs up. Okay, not like a thumbs up. give the live a thumbs up. Same with TikTok. I appreciate y'all tapping in, tapping over and over, hitting that like button. Let's move those up too. Guess what today is, Grizzly?
What's today?
Leg day, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Throw in some X deadlifts.
Some deadlifts.
Yeah, just target the legs more.
Those can go. Did you like my back shot yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
That was a great back shot. That was one of my better ones. It was very wide. Yeah, wide, felt good. That was quite the what? I did my cedar rows and took a video of my back. What's wrong with that? I got a beautiful back shot.
Or Gene having to you there. Can you hear me messing with lips all the way face there?
Yeah, when I tell you guys you're rocking with TB, you thought I was meaning that you're rocking with Team Bowl? No, baby. This is Team Backshot. That's what TB stands for. Kidding. Joking. Kidding. Joking. I joke. I kid. Oh boy, yeah, it's too early for that. It's only 7 in the morning here. It's time to wake up. Gene's on the way too. Gene's gonna get me right with my coffee. So you guys had a nice webinar last night, Grizzly? Let's go, guys. DOD. Yup, discipline today. So we're going all in on Discipline Wednesday. Jdun is an iced matcha type of guy. I actually don't mind matcha. I prefer coffee, but it's fine. If I had to drink matcha, I would. It's not my ideal cup of tea, but it's fine. If we get the right downside setup today, I'm sizing up. The right upside setup, I will likely not size up. But the right downside setup, I will size up today. Feel good. Built a real nice buffer. Where do you start? You're in the right place, my friend. TBT. TB. Team Bowl. What do you think? Size up today? Right downside setup? 10 minis? Someone said turn the lava lamp. I mean, I rock with that. Maybe we turn the lava lamp on now. It'll be ready by market open. Fine. Lava lamp can join us today. I guess the lava lamp can join us today. Yup. Want to build a long-term portfolio from a 2-year-old. Any suggestions? Nice. Yeah. I mean, the simplest way is just buy safe assets like SPY, QQQ, VU, things as such. And then also, it depends what you believe in. I'm a big tech guy. So whenever you get dips on NVIDIA or Tesla, AMD, companies like that, slowly DCA. That's all a financial advisor is going to do for you. Sized up, pay done today. I used to be sized up, pay done. I used to do that every day trading options. I'd be ripping calls on live making 40 racks. I had to get back to that. Got to grow my huevos rancheros back. What was the first thing you mentioned? QQQ. Yep. It's the ETF for the NASDAQ. And SPY is the ETF for the S&P 500. What am I looking for today? It depends. It really depends what we see the first 15, 20 minutes. Good luck today, bro. I'll be rooting for you. I won't be on today. Just came to say kill it, bro. DOD. Man, that's what's up. I appreciate that, RR. Thank you. That means a lot. Jdun, as someone who's new to prop firms, what's a general risk size I should be using for evals? I've been treating it like a PA and it's growing slowly, but while everyone's passing them quickly. So here's my thought. And you take this how you want. But when I have traded evals in the past, I always advocate, and I personally prefer to be more aggressive. Let me explain why. So say that you get 5 of these Apex $29 50K end of day drawdown evals. Your cost for those before activation fees like $130 or $140. Okay, $145. So if I get 5 of those and pass them in a day, and pass one in a day or two, I fail 4, pass one in a day or two, and it costs me $145 for those. Or if I trade one eval for a week or two and it costs me $30, the time that I saved is worth more to me than spending extra money on evals. And I'm not saying go ballistic and be an idiot and buy more accounts. I'm saying that I prefer to recommend people put on a little more risk and get past so you don't have to deal with evals anymore. Otherwise, you're going to spend 2 weeks on an eval, and is your week or two worth $100? I don't think so, but maybe it is for you. That's my thought process. I'm not saying that you're doing something wrong. I just want to make that very clear. I don't personally like spending weeks on an eval. Again, guys, the ultimate goal of prop firms is to use them as a tool. It's not to use them as an end all be all. You're not going to retire your family off prop firms. Not going to secure your financial freedom forever with prop firms, but they can be a good tool. If you want to get an account to trade with me today, you can use code Jdun on Apex for that $29 account I told you about. Yep, you can run 20 evals at a time, though I wouldn't recommend it for a lot of you. So I just posted the link in the YouTube chat, everybody. If you click that link, you can go get yourself an Apex 50K Trade Evade account right now. Make sure you choose the end of day account. It's only $29 with code JDUN. You also get payout protection. You support your boy, and I'll do my best to help you pass it. I do a pretty good job almost every day. I do my best. Don't sweet to be. This is where I wanna be. Good luck today, bro. Open wick, and then short down. Maybe it's possible. All right, guys, we got about 17 minutes to open. Oh, I'm sore. I've been grinding in the gym, guys. Like, when I tell you, when you see my full strength progress, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's over. It's over, folks. Send in the reinforcements. I want to learn, but I need money for that. Can you give me $100? I think you should go get a job. Take the $50 you have, go put gas in your car, go get yourself a job and grind for it.
I think I need that surgery done. You had Jdun on your sinus.
On my deviated septum.
Yeah. I can breathe out my nose good anymore. It's broke.
Yeah, it was really nice for me.
Painful though, right? It looked like he was miserable for a while.
I hated the days after, bro. It was horrible with those stints in your nose. I was the biggest baby. The biggest. I couldn't do it, bro.
You breathe a lot better now, right?
If I broke my nose again, I'd just let it stay broken. I just look like Pinocchio.
I break my nose several times. They didn't bully me.
Guess what tomorrow is, Grizzly?
So,
22 months of no alcohol. Tomorrow officially marks 22 months for me of not a drip of alcohol. Kind of exciting. I thought it was exciting.
impressive.
Cooking. You know you want that sip. I mean, not really. There's been a few times where I've been like, oh, this would be cool, and then 5 minutes goes by and I'm like, yeah, this doesn't seem very cool anymore. I don't need alcohol to have fun. I don't need alcohol to survive. I'm good. People are like, oh, moderation. I'm like, well, I mean, I guess sure, but still, even in moderation, what benefits does alcohol bring? There's none. Like you put pros and cons next to each other. There's literally none. So, is it?
It's definitely a good way to make the worst mistakes of your life.
It's a good way to get beat up by bouncers. Hello from Dubai, trading despite all the noise outside. Welcome. Yeah, there's literally no actual benefits to drinking alcohol. Yep, if you're on the TikTok and you want full screen share, you can head on over to the tube. People say glass red wine is good for your heart, and it's because of the resveratrol in there, but you can get that elsewhere. You don't need to get it from wine. So, I mean, I get what you're saying, but you also do save a lot of money not drinking. You also got to worry about DUIs and Ubers and stuff like that. Just never even a thought. So, kind of cool. Guys, just waiting for market open. No, I don't really trade pre-market ever. It's very, very, very rare that I trade pre-market. Are we shorting again? We might. I'd rather be a DD than needing a DD. That's facts. Hey, let's go. Just signed up for my first Apex account using code Jdun. DOD, let's go. I'm going to help you pass it today. Let's get it. Take all the money you would have spent on alcohol and buy evals. I guess that's one way to look at it. Hope no one tells y'all to spend as much money as you're spending on evals on alcohol. Some of y'all would be getting really drunk. Not funny. Man, in the next 3 months, I want every single person on this live stream to have gotten at least one payout. It's ambitious, but with DOD, it's possible. It's certainly possible with DOD. I'm curious, how many of you are looking to get your first payout ever in the next 3 months. Ideally, in a perfect world, the next month, but we're not going to make it a short time frame. How many of y'all are going to get your first payout in the next 3 months? Let me ask you that. All right, I see a lot of yeses coming in. That's what I like to see. We'll make it happen. Choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. The reason I didn't say, oh, who's going to get their first payout in the next week or two or the next month is I don't want you guys rushing the process. I want you guys focusing on the right system, DOD. 17 Apex PA accounts, 1K away to get paid. That's awesome. It's cute. Take it slow. Every day that you come in with your 17 accounts, have a maximum loss limit set. I think I hear Mr. Gene. Is that Mr. Gene? What's up, dog? How late were you up? Right late? Just couldn't sleep?
Couldn't sleep at all. You know.
Well, thank you, bro. Guess who got here early? Mr. Gene brought the Jdun sauce. The backshot serum. Ready to make ourselves some moolah today. It is Wednesday. Let's get it. Backshot. That's leg day. I can't even say that. It is leg day today. It's Wednesday. It's leg day. Oh, boy. We got 6 minutes till open, everybody. Yep, I will do... why was my train of thought? I'm going to size up and put on full risk, maybe more. If we get a nice downside setup, I will not be sizing up to the upside. I don't do well sizing up to the upside. I was talking about this yesterday. I'm better at putting on risk and accepting more risk and putting on more size when I'm trading to the downside. That said, you can't just be a bear all the time. You got to be open-minded. But I personally, that's just how I am. I will, if you guys, when you guys hear me trade, you guys got to do what's best for you and your system. But just understand the majority of the time that if I'm taking a downside setup, even if I'm going quote unquote light on both, I'm putting on more size downside than I am upside. Jdun, can you make a video? Jdun, can you make a video about immediately switching up on your day ones once you get your first payout? That's funny. Yeah, guys, sorry. I'm too rich for y'all now. I got my first payout. Stupid.
Hola.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
Dude,
What's up, bro?
chilling,
Vibing?
vibing.
Living?
Yo, I'm early today.
You are early, which is very surprising considering you didn't sleep well.
Yeah, by now. Something's wrong with me. Like, something's wrong with me.
Something's definitely wrong with me. Trading with Jdun and the gang in Asia have been highlights of my day. Yeah, Gene, how'd Asia go for you?
Terrible.
Terrible. I'm sorry. I knew that. I had to ask.
Absolutely terrible.
Gene texts me. He goes, bro, 2 losses in Asia. I hate my life. I said, I feel you. Whenever I take 2 losses in New York, I'm just like, well, FML.
But I was able to push that payout, so I was so happy.
You how much did you request? 7K?
Yeah.
Nice. We got a minute 45, guys. This would be a good time to do your mental check-in. Ask yourself, how do you sleep? Are you focused? Do you have anything important going on today? Are you ready to lock in on DOD? Those are all things you got to ask yourself. And as long as you check all the boxes, you're ready to go. Oh, boy. Slap me and call me Jakey Poo. Let's make some money. Let's make ourselves some moolah, baby. DOD time. It was multiple accounts, right, Gene?
4.
Nice. 4 accounts. So 17, 15 account?
Yep.
Nice.
7 goals.
I am on YouTube. Yep. Jdun Trades.
Tom, I'm watching, other than the first 15-minute range, I'm going to watch this 25,100 area we pushed up for possible movement.
It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Tuba. Tuba, 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 tuba. Yep. 15 seconds. Let's get it.
Let's do this. One good trade's all we need.
That is literally all we need. That's it. Right there. Ding, 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 ding. All right, guys. We're activating Paydon early today. Paydon is drinking the pay serum.
Welcome, Christopher.
No freak done.
Good luck today, everyone. Okay?
Wrong pipe. I got excited to drink my coffee. I got excited to get y'all paid. I'm 49, retired military vet, and a contractor supporting the military. Looking forward to retirement, and is why I'm applying the same principle as during my military career discipline. Let's go. Let's get it. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome to the DOD official live stream. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all are all ready to trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, moving backwards momentum, dopamine. It will destroy you if you're not careful. So I will not let it. I will do my best to help you stay disciplined and help you stay focused on this live. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes, everybody. Steven said, with how tall Jdun is, I'm not confident Gene could successfully do the Heimlich to save our boy.
I couldn't do what?
The Heimlich.
What does that mean?
We're going to wait, trade smart, trade safe, and we're going to find ourselves an A+ setup. That's the goal. I don't care about having quote-unquote fun in my trading. I don't care about catching every move. I tell you guys this every morning, but I'll remind you again, it's not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. I don't care about catching every move. I care about catching the right moves. The right move. That's what I care about. Takes one good trade a day to keep a lot of life's problems away. One good trade a day. Keep a lot of life's problems away. Life's problems away. Do I DM you on IG for the graphic? Sure. That's cool. All right, guys. We want, ideally, in a perfect world, a 100-point winner today. Does it have to be 100 points? Nope. I'll take 1.5 R. Say we risk 30, I'll take 40, 50. If it has to be 1-to-1, if that's the market conditions, I'm open to it, but I'd like a mega trade today. Ideally, in a perfect world. It's not always a perfect world, but it's more perfect when you have DOD. Yeah. I'm looking filthy rich. I want all y'all to be riding your ride looking filthy rich. Just gonna wait, guys. Staying patient. Dude, my buddy's white Porsche GT3 is so hard. Literally so tough. Like, it's actually so tough. Tell me this isn't tough. Tell me that white Porsche isn't tough AF. The white wheels, white wrap, the blue interior. Tell me that is not so tough. Oh, I love it. I think it's so sick. I think it's so sick. So extremely tough. So hard. What an iconic duo. Yeah, the blue interior goes bananas too. Yeah, Hunter balls. Thank you, bro. Yeah, let's get to the money today, baby. I'm waiting these first 15 minutes. As a reminder, I don't trade the first 15. I actually haven't bought much Bitcoin lately. I have a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. Like, I am the most cash heavy, ready to invest long term that I think I've ever been in my entire life. Which I don't like being cash heavy. Cash sitting on the sidelines doesn't do anything for you. I just want to see deeper dips in all assets. Maybe I should just put. Maybe here's what we should do, guys. Here's the retirement plan. Ready? So I'll take $3 million. I'll put it all into a Tradevit account with $1,000 per mini margin requirements. We'll take 3,000 minis and we'll go short. So every point we make $60,000. If we can catch one mega trade, that's $6 million. I think we'll be set for a while. I think that could be what we've been needing to do. And if it doesn't go our way, I will cry. Can you imagine that live stream? Just throw up 3,000 minis. Tell me that wouldn't be. That would be DOD. It'd be something. it'd be reverse DOD, dopamine over discipline. It would be something, that's for sure. The one guy took $6 million, made it into $30 million during COVID, shortened the market. Yeah, I think I heard about that. It's been 10 minutes, guys. 5 more minutes, and we will have our 15-minute range in. Yep, we'll take the $6 million and we'll buy a Kona's egg. There we go. That's it right there. I don't see anything I like on Tesla yet for my individual stock traders. As I said earlier, if you want to trade with me live, you want to take my next trade with me, go get yourself an Apex account. They just released end of day trailing drawdown. So there's no more intraday on those accounts. You can use code Jdun, get an account for $29. Only $29. What's the difference, if you don't mind me asking? Intraday drawdown follows you intraday. End of day drawdown calculates at end of day, which is a huge bonus, especially for beginners. Gene wants a Kona's egg. Honestly, I mean, they are roomy. What's the most you can lose on a 25K funded account? Just whatever you paid. Oh, cool. Oh, Paydun's here. We started sipping the Paydun sauce earlier. Paydun's live and at your service. We just got to stay patient. Guys, I promise I'm making the video today. I'm making the video on copy trading and Apex's new plans today. Be nice if they actually paid normal people to not just content creators who promote their terrible firm. Hey, chat. If you've gotten a payout from Apex, type yes. I know a few of you right off the rip who have gotten multiple payouts, not just one, multiple payouts. With code Jdun, you get payout protection. If you follow the rules, you get paid. We've seen more and more people getting paid. RTF has 6 consecutive. They've gotten significantly better, too, in the last 6 months. So if you guys want to rock with them, code Jdun will get you the best discount and payout protection. I'm going to do my best to help you guys pass accounts. In the end, I always like to preface this by saying that my ultimate goal for you guys isn't to be on prop firms forever. I want you guys, if you can have a live account and if you can manage it, then be on a live account. Don't trade prop firms. They're a tool. They're not the end-all, be-all. I'd rather you guys focus on your future and your well-being and your financial freedom versus buying a prop firm account. Prop firms is not just free money with less risk. I will die on this hill, even as a partner with some of these prop firms, that you're way better off trading your own live capital in the long term. I will die on that hill. I forgot to pick my direction today. Didn't I? I forgot to give you guys the countdown. Well, all right, folks. We're about 15 minutes late to the countdown. But we got Benny the Bull in the house. Benny the Bull. And we got Barry the Bear, the Backshot Bear, and Benny the Bull. And the winner today, by unanimous decision, is the Bull. No, baby. Backshot Bear coming in again. We're finally getting the sell off today. Let's go. The Bears are coming. Maybe it's wishful thinking. Maybe it's not. I don't know. That's what we want today. We do have another party here that just is sleeping for now. He might come out later. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. I have not decided yet. All right, our 15-minute range is in, everybody. Happen to private. So let's see what we get. No sort of trend yet. Just waiting. There's no 2-bar. No. No 2-bar. No 2-bar setup yet, so I'm just waiting. Staying patient. You look at our trend pre-market, it is up. So, I mean, maybe it's wishful thinking I picked the bear mask. It's possible. So I prefer trading the downside. That said, I will trade the upside. Give me the shorts. Give me the shorts, baby. No, there's no 2-bar setup yet, guys. You have to have a trend to even think about having a 2-bar setup. Wife, what's a back what's a back shot bear? Baby wouldn't understand. Trust me, you had to be there. You had to be there live in the moment. Yep, there's no trend and volume is decreasing. Candlestick size is also decreasing. A lot of you would have significantly more success as a trader if you would simply just wait for the trend to form. Just because the market is open does not mean that you have to trade. Elijah, that's a good question. Jdun, why are you more comfortable trading to the downside if the market goes up 15 to 20% annually? So the market is plumbed to go up. That's why I always say you can't be a perma bear. The market is orchestrated to go up over time. I just find that downtrend moves move faster. And even with the market going up 10% a year, you're still going to have pullbacks over time and intraday. So for me, I prefer to trade the downside and catch those downside moves, though I understand I'm rational in the sense that I can't just trade downside forever. You have to be adaptable to trade upside as well. I just prefer downside. What's so wrong with that? Am I crazy for saying that, or am I valid? I think I'm valid. I think I'm valid in loving the downside. We also have data in 11 minutes. We have ISM services. Jdun, your DOD helped me a lot. I made quick 400 off pre-market orb and 400 off 5-minute New York orb. I ended a trade because I was getting emotional. That's awesome. That's DOD. You trade in New York today, Gene?
Yeah.
I'll try to help you find a winner. What? I know. I'm looking at shorts too. You what?
You need to get below like the 850 area.
Well, I feel you. I feel it now. Art thou feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Art thou feeling it now, Mr. Jdun? DOD made me get 5 max payouts from Top Step, and now I'm a live trader at Top Step. Nice. Let's go. So that's an interesting candle. We don't quite have 50% wick, but we rejected that 50% retracement. I did not short it. No. I'm in no trades. I'd like to see us build below this 15-minute low. We also have pre-market high right here as well. The pre-market low.
Oh, I'm here. Okay, cool. I'm just hanging out. Yeah.
Got anything you're watching for? Mr. Grizzly.
Oh, wow. I wasn't sure I was coming through on Zoom, but I guess you couldn't.
Oh, yeah.
No, not really. I just don't like any setups in this area. I was considering longs here, but that's just one ugly here. A little hesitant the way it looks.
Inhale low. About 20 minutes in. No trades yet for me. Mr. Jdun. For the longest time, I thought Gene and Grizzly were the same guy. It's funny. Gene is just a tad bit more tan, and Grizzly has a bit more southern accent to him, if you know what I'm saying. Churn some butter. He's got that southern charm. That southern drawl. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna be looking for the longs in this area. What did you say? Bro's calling HR. He's getting me in trouble. I'm gonna get scolded by HR. Guys, HR is gonna fire me.
This is Southern, not an old prospector.
Gene drinks tequila. Grizzly drinks moonshine. Oh, that's good.
I held back my accent a lot so you can understand me better.
Oh, that's too funny. That is too funny. No trades yet. Just wait. You know what I would love to see for upside potential? It's the low here, 866. I wish this low of this candle wasn't so low. I was gonna say I'd love to see us break above this pre-market high and 15-minute high, close up here, find a retrace down here, try the long, move up, and stops below here. That would be a great setup, but it's just a bit of risk. It's definitely possible. When does 85% off end? I don't know. Yo, TikTok, as a reminder, I'm live on YouTube as well. Everyone on the YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. You get full screen share here as well. If you want full screen share, come tap in. Also, let's update this. We got almost 2,000 people here. Shout out all you guys. You're incredible. And we got 250 likes. What's up with that? Let's get those likes up, baby. Smash that like button if you're ready to choose DOD today to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Smash that like button. Let's get that up to 400, baby. Come on. I'm going to do my best to find y'all a winning trade per usual. Do my best. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. You want to smash something? All right. Well, you'll hit that like button. It could happen. Come on, baby. Oh, I appreciate you. I see y'all hitting that thumbs up. Real. No trades yet. Nope. No trades. No trades. Just waiting. No trades yet. My first language is DODNEs. I was hoping we can get some confirmation to the upside. Tesla had an interesting first candle too. We got that aggressive move up initially on Tezzy Baby and then just died. No follow through with 50% retracement. You'd expect us to have seen this move up right here and then seen continuation to the upside, and we just didn't get it. Been watching that. Let's check out NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA is same deal-ish. Check out the 5-minute there. Not a whole lot. Pretty flat. Oh, gold had a nice orb setup. 5, 10, 15. Broke through, retested. Yeah, so far so good. Gold had a really nice opening range break. Gold had a super nice opening range break. Does gold have a 2-bar? I mean, right now, no. But it could. It could form one. I've been fiending to drive the GT2. Not even gonna lie. What? You gonna steal it? Gene's gonna steal my car. Take it to Colfax. Feds is your fave. All right. But wouldn't that be nasty with the GT3, his white GT3 and the GT2 next to each other? You know what video we still got to make, Gene? Is I want to make one of those videos of with my laptop on the wing, and when it says when the IRS asks about my $500,000 desk, I'm sitting there trading on the GT2 wing. I still want to make that video. That shit would be hilarious. What?
This is what he was doing last night.
The market?
Yes.
Just being on games?
Yep. Jeez, what was that move?
Gene drives a Hellcat. Gene loves Hellcats. That's your dream car, right, Gene?
Not anymore.
No? What's your new one? BMW. All right, let's see if this finally gives us a setup, guys. This actually could give us a decent setup. If we can get a strong close here. Oh, we still have 4 minutes on this candle. It'd be ideal. Here would be perfect situation, okay? Is if we close, say, like up here at 990. Strong volume. What's the low of this? 920. If we pulled back to like 950 area, found a higher low in here, stops below this 920, then we rode this up. That would be ideal situation for this long. Gene Def drives a Dodge Neon SRT4.
No.
Did take Gene as an El Camino guy. No, Gene has a lowered 2-door truck. A drop. Gene has a drop truck. A turquoise drop truck. Gene,
What?
I found your trucks.
Where?
This one.
Dude, I went to high school with kids that had those trucks. Literally. That one in the GMC.
Okay, let's see what this gives us. All right, this could be something. I'll pull it up after we could get a trade here. Get to focus up. Let's see, what's the high here? 981, 950. This actually could be a decent short if we move back up into here with stops above this high. I'm actually semi-open to that if we get a strong close down here. You have sweat 15-minute high, sweat pre-market. No. Don't give us this close. Don't go back up. There's no 2-bar. Even if we get a reversal candle, it's not a 2-bar, guys. On this NQ. Gold, you could argue. This is tough to short because we didn't. This candle looks okay. I'm going to try a short up here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give this a go for shorts. I took it light. I have room to add. I like 940 to 950 up here. Why is this? Here we go. I did give this a try, everybody. Kind of moved down to 920 and then pushed back up. Okay. It's not what I want to see. This is not what I want to see. No, okay, let's make that lower high. Let's push it down now. Let's push it down. Now my hard stops are at 980. This is the area I like more, 50-ish. I'd like to see us wick down. If we close this candle strong, I'll likely close it early. But I like the idea of us having this lower high and then moving down. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, drop top. Don't do it. I only got my one contract, but I can't add into this. I don't think I can add in. This is not what I want to see here. I wanted to see us reject this 50% and move down, but right now our volume sucks, which is a good thing. It looks like it might stop me. So I'll take a full size loss if it gets me of 11 to 1100. 1100. All right, guys. I just got stopped out for 1120. 1120. 1120 on that. Gosh dang it. That looked good too. And watch, it's going to sweep up. It's going to sweep up here and then die. Watch. Watch. Wow. I mean, granted, only one mini, so 1120, guys. 1120 on that. I thought it looked great with this candle. Honestly, I would take that 100 out of 100 times. We touched that pre-market high, 15-minute high, swept both the levels, closed below. I'd take that 10 out of 10 times for sure. So I was willing to put on a full-size loss for it. Because a lot of times what you'll see is that a massive wick up, we go lower high, and then we end up pushing down below that pre-market low. So
I'm just trying to see what kind of volume we get here. It's not looking like the board's going to confirm for me.
Yep.
Oh.
That was a terrible trade. No, not really. Risk defined just didn't work. Just didn't work out. But if it did work out, then it's like, oh wow, this is amazing. This is great. I just made 1, 2, 3R. And even look at that volume. We have a massive candle with lowering volume. So that just goes to show that our buying isn't very aggressive. We just happen to keep pushing up. So we'll see where it goes. I wouldn't take a short up here again. We closed above these levels, but it was worth a try for me. Try in this area in here. Stops above the highs. You get the highs, you just stop. You know, it is what it is. If it would have worked out, it would have been a really nice trade. We got an initial like what 20-point move or something like that from 940s down to 920, but not nearly enough to trim for me. 950 actually down to 920. Just not enough to take any off. Not enough to take any profit. So we got initial 20. It went down to from 940 to 950 down to 920, but not enough. I wanted to see sub 900 on that. So, all right, we'll start 0 for 1. We kept it managed. And we move forward to the next trade. Oh, no, that did have confirmation for me for sure. I'd take that trade 100 times. With that wick up, failure both these key levels, for sure. No doubt.
I'm watching for a bounce at 960 area, everyone. I'm going to give it a little go. Tried some. I'm in some M&Q longs. Right at the point of control. High day, first trim spot.
Man, if we had volume on that previous candle, I might join you.
I'm looking for a trend. I'm not looking for the fours. A little different strategy than the orb I'm looking for here.
Like the candle looks good. It just that volume sucks. The volume or the candle looks great. Q level looks great. Candle looks great.
Come on, give us high day. No, you do it. Other way. Up. Push up. Trimming. I'm trimming here.
Nice. Yeah, it you know, it is what it is. People get emotional. They can't manage their losses, but you, you, you never see the complaining when we win. I actually don't. Grizzly's talking. I don't hate the longs. I just wanted to see more volume on this candle. Candlestick structure looked great here for a pullback. I just didn't have volume, so I didn't participate.
Anybody make any money on this with me?
Yeah, nice trade there, Grizzly. I would have joined you if the volume would have confirmed, but no volume for me, so I'm just waiting.
Anybody?
I tried those shorts earlier, and they got cooked by that candle.
Bounce back, man. This is paper cut.
And it was worth it. It was worth it to me. It was worth it to me. If this candle confirms, I'm still open to catching the trend up too. Let's see here. Do we have any key? I got those previous highs up at like 25.1. So it's possible.
Did you all see how I utilized point control there? T-ball on that pullback. That was her entry.
I want to go down. All right, we still got like $1,000 of drawdown for a second trade if one confirms. If not, I just won't take anything. It's looking like that 60, 70 area was the entry.
Give us 25,080. No pullback. Straight up.
Okay, how about this? What if we close strong and then we get a slight pullback that doesn't stop you out, and then we continue moving up?
Had a great feel
That,
on that too.
that's what I'd be open for.
Trade's over. Hit my entry. Trade's over. One trim. It hit my entry. I made 500 something dollars.
All right, just gonna wait till the next A plus setups comes. Not gonna force anything. Not gonna rush. If we had more volume on this candle, I'd be open to looking for like how much just along this candle right here. That's tough. Honestly, though, that like even going on 10 minutes later, I would take this short setup 100 out of 100 times. That sweep those previous highs and potential lower high and die. Usually money bags. Just say something has a 70% win rate. 3 of the times it's not going to work. It is what it is. You get what you get. You don't throw a fit. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. It's all right. We'll choose DOD. Wait for our next good setup. No forcing, no rushing, no trying to claw back, per se. Gonna wait for an A plus candle structure setup, and then we'll take it. We'll see. I'm not looking for any shorts now until we'd honestly have to break below like 920. We'd have to break and have some strong trend setting candle below these key levels. Tried it once, didn't work out. Now we follow the trend. It's either we get confirmation to the upside and find a higher low, or some clear sign of reversal. Other than that, you just wait. No, I don't care about having 100% win rate. I don't care about being right all the time. I care about having bigger wins than losses. That's all I care about. That's all I care about. If I can have... Take accountability, Jdun. That was a horrible short trade. Oh, no. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Pray for him. I pray that you took some longs and made massive amounts of money. May God bless you in your trading. No, we pray for him today. We'll pray for him. I get it. People get angry. They full port, whatever. They don't stop when they're supposed to stop. But then it's like if you catch the lower high and get a 50, 60, 100-point move, then it's like, oh, that was amazing. I love that, you know? People expect 100% win rates, and it's just not feasible. If I had a 100% win rate, I'd be trading with $200 million, and you'd probably never see my face again. It's close, but it's not 100. Honestly, any chance that I see to catch a trade that has defined risk, I'll take it. That's how I look at it. I don't care. Now, if you don't stop and if you're just consistently averaging down and going on tilt, that's where things get bad. But you can try upside setups, you can try downside setups. Your job is to manage your risk. And a lot of you guys just don't manage your risk. Or you take a setup and you oversize and you take one loss and you say, oh my goodness, how am I ever going to get past this? You know? I always say this, I could lose the next 10 trades in a row. I'm always prepared for that. And I mean, it hasn't happened ever, but it's possible. I'd still be okay. Let's say I lost my next 10 full-size trades. That'd be $10,000. That's nothing in the grand scheme of things, right? And that's the mindset you have to take, is if you can accept losing, then winning inevitably will come. A lot of y'all can't accept losing. That's why you stay unprofitable. It doesn't have to stay like that. But that's how a lot of people think, unfortunately, how a lot of retail thinks. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, yes, $10,000 is nothing. For how I trade, at least. I'm not saying it's nothing for everybody. $10,000 is everything for somebody in the world. But for how I trade, and 9, almost 10 years in, it's virtually nothing. So he said there's nothing. Let's go shopping. All right, let's see if this gives us a nice setup. Look at that, Grizzly. Went down and pinged your stop. And then went up. That volume sucks, though. Volume is cheeks. Damn, our algorithm's doing great today. We're getting a lot of haters in here. I'd like to say group prayer for all of the haters. Haters, I'm glad that even though I recognize most of your faces from multiple lives, that you get enough value to come back and watch this live. Someone who wins nearly every single day helps you find bigger winners than losers. And I'm very thankful you're here. So may God bless you in your trading. I pray that you reach all of your trading goals and that you continue to crush. May God bless you with DOD. Amen. Amen, my friend. I just want to know where that energy goes when we win.
We're pushing up to my main area. I've been watching this morning. The zone, watching for possible short up there. We get confirmation.
Oh, please. I said, please.
You start watching around 25,080, 25,100 for possible short entry. Unless we just get some crazy buying. Aggressive buying.
Yeah, I'm going to be very careful. Shorten again. If we see some sort of reversal. See some sort of reversal, I'm in, but the only short setup I had got cooked. And we didn't have any volume to confirm the next one, so. Don't know. It's social media is a very interesting thing. It's pretty crazy. But we live with it. They get to call me J Bum and Jdun for now. Haters are up. It's not gonna last long though. It's not going to last long.
It's just not one of those times we just touch and sell off instantly. Hopefully we get a confirmation candle.
We're going to hit a banger next. It's coming. It's coming. I don't know when, but it's coming.
Small zone as well.
Yeah, Jdun will be avenged like Batman. Jdun will be avenged.
I'll probably go half size. You know, I already had the first winning trade. I'm up 500 with something.
Shame on you.
On the day if it is a losing trade, you know.
You can join me.
Just need one good trade, man. We'll be back in the game.
Yeah, I kept it small. Kept it reasonable. So kept it manageable.
It literally come back just enough to get my entry and just ripped up. My final price target got hit.
That 80.
Yeah, my final price target.
There's too much going on this chart right now. There we go. That's better. This actually looks like a good upside candle. Strong volume. Maybe look for a pullback to like 25,000-ish area with stops below 956. Shorts were not taken off a bullish candle. The only trade I tried was after this wick up and closed down here with the sweep of this high, was tried the shorts in here with stops above the candle high, and it got stopped. A lot of times you'll see this try here. We won't retest that high, and we'll just move straight down. And all the time, I mean, we've taken this setup together probably 50 plus times in the last year. 50 is a lot, but like 30 plus times taking that lower high setup. I don't see anyone complaining when it makes money, though. It's weird how that works. Why does no one complain when it makes money? Oh, well. You win some, you lose some. I would not take shorts here when we're exploding. No. I don't trade supply and demand like that. Like whenever we're moving aggressively in trend direction, I'm not going to short or rocket up. I'll short a lower high off a reversal for sure. But I'm not going to be like, all right, we're just up here shorts. Some people do, and they do great at it. It's just not me. Like some people trade those great. And when they catch the moves, they catch huge moves. But it's not me. Not how I trade currently. This 15-minute looks very bullish too. No sign of slowing down. I mean, I'll trade the orb or opening range read, but we didn't have, if we would have had the volume I wanted to see on this candle, I likely would have taken this pullback with stops below here. Just didn't have the volume I wanted to see. So we're going to choose DOD, wait for an A+ setup, see if we get it. If we do, great. If not, then if I don't get another setup in the next hour, I'll probably trade till like 10 or 11:30 Eastern. Then I'll be red for the day. I'll just be 0 for 1. We'll see. We'll see what they give us. Maybe it gives a pullback for longs. But I'm not going to chase it up here. And this is why I said, too, you know, if you're like, you don't want to just short or rocket up, you want to wait for confirmation. At least then you have your stop set. If you're taking shorts, say, like right here, where is your data on where you're going to set your stops? You don't know. You don't have a clear spot that you can set them. And that's where people get in trouble, is when you don't have clear stop set and your risk isn't defined. Oh my gosh, how many times do I have to explain this? The only last time I'll explain this setup. So you see back here, we have our 15-minute range, a pre-market high. We move up with rising volume, however, a majority is back to the downside right to this pre-market high. So my only setup here to catch a reversal was a lower high in this candle with stops above the highs, looking for a target back down, and it didn't give it to us, so didn't work out. Works out a lot of the time, didn't work out this time. But that's why you don't hold for hope, and instead of stopping out, say like here, stop out up here, or here, or here. That's how I look at the charts. And I certainly would not short up here. Not until there's any sign of reversal. Market's showing it wants to keep pushing up, so volume was on the right side of the trade. Look at the wick compared to the volume candle. A lot of times you'll see that make the lower high. It just didn't happen to work this time. Works a lot, didn't happen to work this time, is what it is. Now we wait for another A+ setup. The Tesla's pushing too. Didn't really give any retracements though. We had that move down initially to like 397, but damn, Grizzly, look at that entry you had, bro. Huge. Huge. All right, maybe this gives us some sort of pullback. Come on. I don't mind that 25,000 area. I still like that for a higher low during the day. I'm still interested in that 25,000 area down here. That's what I would like to see. That would be ideal. We'll see if it gives it to us. Don't. Well, I mean, 2 bar is technically valid here. Still, look at that volume. Price is rising, volume is rising. I don't love trading it on aggressive upside moves like this, but you could technically look for moves like 100 with stops below 77, 75. It's technically valid. Maybe if you would have waited for the third internal equal liquidity sweep into the 15-minute inside the 1-hour premium array after the equal highs and lows distribution phase, you'd understand the charts better. Yeah, bro. That's it.
Are you looking for a long entry, Jdun?
I am. But if you like something with shorts, feel free to do it.
I don't like shorts anymore.
I won't be participating.
Validated my supply. They ripped through that supply like it wasn't there.
I know.
They've been well respected. We'll see.
Just waiting. One more hour of trading for me. I have one more hour for our redemption arc. One more hour for redemption arc.
How much you looking for entry?
I think I got to see deeper pullback. I'm already in the reds, so I want to see. I could see that in a perfect world down at like 25,000. But thing that people got to understand is I don't care if I end the day red. I could end every single day of the week red this week. I mean, obviously had a $2,300 day yesterday on the live, so that won't happen. But it's possible. But the thing is, I don't care about daily results. I care about yearly results. I care about how I do over time. A lot of people get stuck in the daily results, and ultimately that ends up hurting their psychology. Like this technically is a valid 2-bar. But I don't want to put on that amount of risk after this aggressive push up. I prefer taking those higher risk trades when we're moving to the downside instead of the upside. It's been a great year for me so far. I'm looking to keep it up. All right, let's see what we get here. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I got to use the restroom, then we're coming back. We're finding a banger in the next hour. It's going down. Otherwise, I'm retiring.
Hola, ¿cómo vas? What's up, guys? What's going on? You guys miss me? Do you miss me, compas? What about it? I think I got. What's up, guys? Dude, rough Asia last night, dude. My strategy was not hitting. I was trading light though. After that first trade that we had, that was break even. For sure going light.
Coming back for vengeance. Coming back for vengeance.
All right.
I'm coming back for vengeance. Did you? I'm coming back for vengeance. All right. I'd in a perfect world love to see us pull back down to like 25,000. But we might just have these higher lows within the 2-bar, and in that case, I'm not going to take that. J-Bum, yeah, so far today. We'll see if that continues, though. Probably not. We'll see. Am I on the longs? No. I don't think today's over. Yeah, nope. This is what we're doing every single day. This is the dream team here. Let's see what they give us here. Shorts look nice right now. I have to disagree. And I hope if you're in shorts, I hope we push down If this would have been a massive candle with rising volume, maybe, but I do like 2-bar setups, but I'm already ready for the day, so I'm not putting on. This is just a higher risk setup, so I'm not taking it. If I'm going to take a retracement trade, I'm going to wait for a lower pullback. Could work. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we can get a deeper pullback down. Another spot that I like is this 50 area. I don't love, but I do like. I don't love it, but I do like it. I don't love it, but I like it. Come on, give us an A+ pullback. Don't. All right, let's see if we can get a deeper pullback. Come on now. Come on now. Give it to us. Give it to us. Me love. Oh, saying fair. Yeah, I'd love to see a pullback down to like 25,000. I'm not sure we're going to get it, but that's what I'd like to see. Just waiting and staying patient. I have no need to rush another trade. I'm very much so okay with ending the day red. So if I don't get anything else I like, I'll end the day red. If we do get something I like, then we'll end it green. We just need to catch 100-point banger so we can start going bananas. Jdun crashes out on stream. Jdun crashes out on stream after catching nuclear trade. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to speak it to existence. What was my risk management? From like 40s up to this 80, 83. So above that candle high. I like the setup. I'd take it again. Just because the setup don't work don't mean it's bad. Just mean it didn't work.
I was watching for a possible long entry here. 55.
Yeah, I was watching that too.
So like if I try, it's gonna pull back to 25,000. You know.
Yeah, that 50 area looks decent. If that fails, I really do like 25,000. So we'll see. We shall see. So one banger. One banger is all we're asking for. We're not asking for the world. It depends on the setup. I don't go heavier on the next trade just because I lost a trade. If I like the setup, I'll put on my full size of risk. If I don't, like for example, if I take an upside setup, I'll need more points. Because I likely I won't put on full size risk unless I really like it. I see a possible long around 50. I really like 25,000. So higher risk long at like 50-ish area, getting close. I'd prefer 25,000. If you go from low to high of day, you also have our retracement, 50% retracement right around that 25,000 too. Don't want to overtrade and take a hit on your confidence. Just be done for the day. Wrap it up. Just take your loss and be done. No shame in that. Let's see here. This area doesn't look bad. We just have to keep stops below 20, like I guess 20 area. I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you guys know if I do. Let you know if I do. I think I'd rather see 25,000. Stops at like maybe 970. Do I enter? No. I told you I'll tell you if I enter. I think this could be the higher low. It's a possibility. I'm just being a little more defensive today. It's my least profitable type of setups too. $37. I'd love to see something on 25,000. That'd be great. I don't know if we'll do it. I don't know if we'll do it, but I'd like to see it. Don't die. I got my finger on the buy button, but I just haven't pulled it yet. Did I catch what? That 15-point move up? No. If I'm going to take anything, it's going to be a trend move. I'm looking for a trend entry. I want to see a 50-point, 100-point trade. If we close this candle strong, I wouldn't be opposed to a long with stops below like 36. I'd rather see 25,000. Ideally, in a perfect world. I'd rather see 20 in a perfect world. Obviously, it's a very imperfect world. I'd like to see 25,000 for longs. I think this is a valid area. I don't think it's a bad area down here to try longs. I just already starting red on the day. I just am not super keen on putting unnecessary risk on. It is a valid spot right here, though, for sure. 100%. 100% a valid spot right here. I just haven't pulled the... Sorry, what was that?
What are you thinking?
I'm debating it.
I'm gonna set it out, man. I'm gonna wait on that 25,000. Believe me, we're right in this fair value gap. The bounce is valid right now.
What I thought about doing too is like, if we close this candle strong, is trying along with stops below like 37, and then if we get down to 25,000, trying again. If I got sucked into that, I'd be done for the day. Or if I hit my maximum loss limit, 2,500, I'd be done for the day. This actually looks like a good candle right here. We'll see if it confirms. Let's see, 35, 55. I just can't pull the trigger, guys. It looks decent. I mean, that candle looks great, that higher low. I certainly wouldn't short, I'll tell you that much. What do you mean I'm being emotional? It's the most interesting comment I've seen. Be nice, Jdun. Be nice. I'm just not forcing any more trades. If I am red, I'd end up being more defensive. So I'd rather be more patient and miss trades than dig myself a hole, you know? That's just how I am. I want a really good, I want a big trade, like a nice R multiple trade. So I'm staying patient for that. I look at emotional trading as just ringing off trades left and right. This could be a good setup for sure. I just am not. I wanted to see 25,000. I would have preferred to see this. That's why I sat this out. This might be our higher low. There's a good chance we make this and we target these highs. It's definitely possible. I just would have preferred to see 25,000 for a little deeper pullback and then make that move. So on a day where I start red, I'd rather just personally wait. And I'm okay with waiting. I love waiting. I love staying patient. I still like 25,000. Yeah, there's scalping opportunity here, but I want the big move, whether that's to the upside or the downside. I want the big move. There, nice. Yeah, I don't have a need. See if we can flush this low and then hit 25,000. I'd love to see this area get pinged. There, I'd be willing to put on the risk and take the loss if we got down to like here. Do we get it? I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it's not looking like they want to give us 25,000. Yeah, I have no interest in shorting up here, guys. None. No interest. Even if we got a massive push down, no interest in shorting at this moment. Structures to the upside. Volume's been to the upside. I'm down 11 hundo on the live account. Not funded. Live. Can I please short for you? I will not short for you. Not with this structure. No way. No way I'll short for you. I wanted to see 25,000 and I just don't think they're going to give that to us. That deep retracement. Looks like this was it. That 50 ended up being it. I got about 35 more minutes to watch. If I can catch an A+ setup that I like. Right now it'd be that 25,000. I'm still semi open to it. But I have no interest in sitting here and scalping back and forth. If we get a 2-bar, I'd be open to it too, for sure. Yeah, for sure. I'd be open to it. Totally. It's choosing DOD, staying trading smart, trading safe, staying patient. No need to force trades. DOD, baby. That's right. Do not redeem the trade. I know. I didn't redeem the trade. Now it costed me opportunity cost. Which is fine. How'd that end up? I really wanted to see that 25,000. I just didn't get it. Maybe there's one more hope for a 2-bar that we can target high a day. Maybe there's one more trade, one more chance if we can get it. Down one loss earlier. About like an hour ago? One loss an hour ago. No more trades besides that. All right, come on. Yeah, I mean, this setup looked all right. If I didn't start red, I probably would have taken it, but I just wanted to see a A+ setup. Today's one of those days where I wish the haters were right. I wish I didn't call any trades. Took a long and got taken out break even. I can see that. Wow, look at that. They really couldn't give us that 25,000, huh? Crazy Glock. Any trades? Yep, just one loss. What are you offering? But we're not talking about mentorship today. Not in the losing day. No way. And there's a lot of value in being able to lose. That's why 95% of people won't make it as a trader. I mean, you see it in the live stream chat, guys, just to be brutally honest. Like, you guys see why 95% of people won't make it. One losing trade, people lose their marbles. You know? That's the reality of trading, is people are unable to accept the ability to lose. It's just I don't understand it. Meanwhile, you got me. I don't give a damn. I don't give a crap if I lose. I could lose 2, 3, 4 trades in a row. It doesn't matter. As long as I manage my risk. If I don't manage my risk, then it matters. And if you're like, oh, well, I need that trade to pay my rent, well, then you probably shouldn't be trading then. You feel me? This volume sucks. This looks primed to go test this high. I actually wouldn't be opposed if we move back down to this whole psych 100 for longs with stops below like 78, but if we take out this high before, then that is invalidated. So, I got 30-ish more minutes. We'll see. Even the Bulls are 72 and 10, right? Yeah, right. We got the 96 Bulls here. We're coming back strong, baby. Looks like with the Cavs and they're down 3-1. If this takes out these highs, that setup's invalid. If we take out these highs right here, this setup, this pullback is no longer valid. If we take out this high point right here on this candle, sweep this high, this setup, this pullback to 100 is not valid. I will not 95% not take it. We need some Andre Iguodala blocked by James.
All right, I've had enough for today. That was it, Jdun.
Yeah, I know. Yep. And I, due to being red, hesitated and missed it.
I hesitated as well, man.
I just wanted to see that 25,000. I think we both did. No, setup's no longer valid. I will not be taking this down here at 100.
See you all in the morning. Peace.
See ya. Peace, bro. Bye. Why take the first trade and then miss that setup? Well, it's, again, hindsight is always 20/20. But for me, the A+ setup on the retracement was a pullback to here. We didn't get that. So I could have taken this, but it was higher risk. And why put on higher risk when I'm already start red for the day? Again, I don't care. One thing about me is I have made so much money trading. And let's say I've made nothing trading, okay? I don't care if I'm red today. You shouldn't care if you're red today. You should care about how you followed your system and whether you blew yourself up or not. So for me, if I end today red, if I took another red trade and then ended tomorrow red and Friday red and Monday red, in the grand scheme of things, in the big picture, it doesn't matter, right? As long as you stick with your system and you have bigger wins than losses, that's what I care about. And it took me a long time to get to that mindset with DOD. But once you get there and you stop caring about your daily results and you care more about your system and not blowing yourself up and being able to accept being red, that's what matters. That being said, this setup, looking back, looks great. If I wasn't red to start, I probably would have taken this. Put a little more risk on. And if you stick around for a trader or these streams long enough, you'll learn. I was really hoping we could see that pull back to 100 first. I got about 30 more minutes-ish. Let's see here. Made 200 a day. Nice. That's awesome, bro. Got about 25 more minutes for me. I'll give this market 25 more minutes. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with that candle? Gene, am I cooked?
On the day?
Yeah.
It's just one of those days for both of us.
Let's see how that's. I don't think I'm gonna take this, like I said, but let's see how it works out. That's a tough candle to long, that previous 5 minute. I feel great eating more meals throughout the day. I love it. I honestly do. Yeah, close to that 100. Didn't quite get there, though. Got close. Got close to that 100. Didn't quite hit it, though. I have no interest in shorts, guys. None. I'm crying. Oh, whoops. I don't know why my... Whoops. There we go. Yeah, I wasn't talking because I'm crying. I'm sad. I'm cooked. We're healthy and alive. I think I'll survive. I was hoping we got a test on to 100. I mean, I probably wouldn't have taken it anyway, but I'm going to see a test down to here and then rocket ship. Yeah, that's true. Hate will never come from above. Never. Almost always comes from below. You're never going to see someone who's made a lot of money trading talking down on you trading. Maybe constructive criticism and trying to help you and cheering you on, but never hating. Only thing I'm watching for right now is longs. I have no interest in shorts. We'd have to, honestly, for shorts, we'd have to have some aggressive volume to the downside below like this higher low here. I have no interest anywhere up here. If dude bullied you, he probably doesn't make much money trading. Any of these guys that just constantly feed off drama don't make money trading. I'm not going to name names. I'm sure you can put 2 and 2 together. Still high here, 160. I don't hate this 100 area for long. I don't love it, but whole psych, your risks have to be below like 75. We'll see. Just one trade, one loser. One loser on the day for me so far. We'll see how we react at 100. I shorted earlier off a 5-minute confirmation and got stopped out. I don't hate the longs here. I don't love it, but I don't hate it either. I don't like that we took out those. If we didn't take out these highs previously, I would almost certainly have tried a long piece here, but took out those highs, so. Let's wait and see. Got about 20-ish more minutes left of trading. Twenty more minutes left of trading. I've taken one loss today. Now I'm just wait and see. Double top reverse. I don't trade double tops on intraday. Whew. Intraday time frames. All right, let's see. What? I know. I know. $15-minute looks like it's like coiling too, ready to break up to the upside. We'll see. See what this next 5-minute candle does. I still got faith in it today. Like Vince Carter, I got one more in me. Where is this 5-minute? It's an interesting 5-minute candle. It's interesting that 15-minute candle looks bearish with that close, but the 5-minute is giving mixed emotions. I can't decide what it wants to do. I'm still here, but I got about 15, 20 minutes left. The system still could pay us or grave us. One of the two. If we would have had higher volume on this right here, I would have said that could have arguably looked like a reversal pattern, but we don't. So the trend up is still intact. This trend up is still intact. Yep, it'll pay. I'm not worried about it. I'm not in a trade. No. Do you think it's a good idea to put prop challenges on a credit card? I mean, if you can't afford them, no. If you use it for points, sure. Potentially a higher low, potentially a higher low. Let's see. Sell your house to buy evals. I would not recommend. I hope to learn my lesson. Well, you better. Otherwise, the lesson is going to keep coming over and over again until you finally learn it and act on it. Why do I still have the feeling that we're going to dump at some point today? I'm waiting here at home. Yeah, I'm not just going to trade because I think something either. I'm going to wait for A+ confirmation. That's an interesting candle. Only dreaming that you're missing me. To break a bond. I don't trade silver. Too volatile. Too much risk for me. Too much risk for me personally. This 15-minute chart's giving me mixed emotions. Because we're still holding a support area here, but this 5-minute or 15-minute candlestick sweeps these highs and closes lower. So we're either going to break out of this aggressively to the upside up to like probably 200, or we're going to flush this low and head back down to like 25,000. We'll see. Yeah, it's full port silver with that account we talked about earlier. Maybe it's my confirmation bias, but I still think we can get shorts up here. I still think it wants to go down to that, wants to test that 25,000. I can't pull the trigger right here. Too much risk. Not enough confirmation quite yet. These sellers don't have a lot of bite to them. They're all bark, no bite. Need some bite. Call me crazy. I'm still looking at shorts until we break above like 116. I mean, right now we're holding this higher low, so that's why I haven't tried a reversal. We're holding this higher low here, even with these few candlesticks. The 15-minute chart you see on the right is indecisive. I'm just waiting. I'm not going to let my bias get in the way of my execution. So, Jdun, I know you get a lot of heat every day, but just want to say thank you for always staying consistent and practicing what you preach. I appreciate you, bro. Win, lose, or draw, we do it live. Win, lose, or draw. Small losses and big wins. That's a tough candle to short too, because we have two dojis, which signifies either A, we're making that higher low here, and our buyers are not allowing these sellers to push us any further, which could lead us back to these highs, or B, our buyers are running out of steam and sellers want to step in. So personally, just going to wait still. This is not Bitcoin. This is the NASDAQ. Always keep it a buck. I am not going to day trade Bitcoin, no. Sorry, bro. Yeah, looks like this is going to be our higher low. So no shorts for me. Your account is still red? Why? Why are you letting it dip? What's going on, bro? Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah. My port's hurting too, bro. This is not going higher. I don't know about that. This 15-minute chart, low key, looking like it could send a rocket ship. So I'd be careful of. Be very careful about the 15-minute rocket ship that could potentially be loading. Some people are saying short, short, short. And I was saying, well, just hold on. You got the 15-minute chart. If we break out of this pattern here, we held this 25,050. We get strong volume. You could see a really aggressive move up. So we'll see. I would still like to see shorts, but I'm short biased, so I'm just waiting. Not letting my bias get in the way of my execution. A lot of my worst trades come when I try to jump the gun without 5-minute confirmation. So at least when I have 5-minute confirmation, I manage my risk. Whew. I mean, you make more in the short-term trading for sure, or shorting. Long-term stocks and indices traditionally go up, so you just got to be careful. All right. I'll give this market 15 more minutes, guys. I don't have my training till 11, so I'll stand with y'all 15 more minutes. Or if we go test high a day first. High a day, I will accept my red day. So that would ultimately give me no more setups. Am I doing Power Hour? No, Jared Tendler will be with us for Power Hour, I believe. What was I gonna? Well, on the bright side, if I do end today red, which is looking like it's gonna happen, I can post our new red day meme. Me back in the day, slumped over with a cigarette in my mouth, just defeated. That picture goes crazy. Yep. Right now, it's not looking like shorts are going to get any oomph. Let's go test that high a day. It's 20 out, but there will be a significant pullback. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You say one shouldn't rely on trading for income. Well, there's some other paths to still have freedom that comes with trading. It depends. Depends. Depends what your skills are and what your interests are. There's lots of ways. Lots of ways to find freedom. This doesn't look like it's going to give me any sort of setup. Eugene, will you go put the ground beef in the water? Please. Please, 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 please. Oh. It's looking like we're going to accept defeat today, which is a bummer. Which is a bummer. Looks like I'm going to go test those highs. You don't like playing high a day? I don't want to put on more risk than I should right now. I mean, I'd say I prefer a test the high a day than I'd prefer shorts right now, for sure. So, again, I don't care about being red. Like, I'm not sitting here like, oh, I have to take another trade, so I'm not red today. I really don't care about being red. That don't matter to me. What matters to me is I follow my plan. I still think we test high a day. I think that seems the more probable outcome than any sort of reversal. Let's see if we go test high a day. If we had higher volume, I'd say we can look for that 2-bar and test high a day with stops below like 95. Oh, man, what a frustrating day. I'm hitting a hard leg day today. I'm gonna punish myself. The bum and I feel the shade. And about 7 more minutes left, or whenever my meat is done thawing, I'm out of here. My meat's done thawing. I'm out of here. Oh, likely ending today or red. Womp womp. Man, I want to try long so bad for that high a day test with stops below like 95. I just don't really want to put the risk on. I think it looks good though. Like, there's a very, very high probability that we want to go take out this previous high. Especially if this candle closes like this. That's money bags if we can get a strong close up here. If we don't get a strong close, that changes things a little bit, but like if you end this candle with a doji, not great. If you end this candle with a hammer to the upside, that looks great. You guys see what I'm saying? You have the 100 area here, 2 wicks down, slightly higher low, but then you get a doji here. Then you get a reversal, indecisive doji there. Come on. I still prefer longs over shorts, but it's just a little sketchy with that 5-minute candle. I still think we want to go test that high a day. Yeah, we're going to test high a day. I'm telling you, it's going to happen. DOD stands for discipline over dopamine. We choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-sabotaging dopamine. It wants it. It wants that high a day, y'all. I'm telling you. It wants that high a day. I don't know after that. You can just tell with those higher lows. If we'd had a little stronger 5-minute candle, I would 100% taken that. 100%. 100 million gazillion percent. There she blows. There she blows. There she blows, folks. Maybe this gives a 2-bar. I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer. My meat's still... my meat's still thawing. You know, I can't even say that with a straight face now. All right, guys, 20 more seconds. I got one more setup I like. The last setup is this retracement back down to like 140 area, stops below, say, 1 at 110 or below 100 for continuation the rest of the day to the upside. That's the last thing I possibly see. That's it. That's it. See if we pull back down to this like 140. 140 to 130. There's a chance we don't. That previous wick high's up here at 160. I'd like to see us pull down to this and then go. Target like 200. That's tough. I don't know. I don't know about that. I actually don't know what we target. I take that back. Maybe that previous high is at like 210. This is the last setup I see is this pull back down to this 140. I'd be willing to try that with stops below like 100. That would be the last trade. Last trade that I see that I would take. 140 to 130 for pullback for longs. Target 200. I'm not sure they're going to give that, though. I don't think they're going to. I don't think they're going to give that pullback. Push price down to 140 to 130. One more try. Come on. This actually looks like a good setup. Got that 50% retracement here. Multiple set of highs. Just give it one push down. Boom. Come on. We can keep pushing. That's fine. Just one slight pullback first. And then keep pushing. Yes, push down. Just slightly, though. Not enough to stop anyone out. This looks like a really good trend entry right here. If we can get a pullback down to like 130 to 140, put stops below like 100, money bags. One trade today, one loss. One loss earlier. Come on. Go down to 140, 130. It's would be my last try of the day, guys. Other than that, I'd be cooked. Come on. Don't just go to 148. That's foul. Don't just go to 148 then push. That's foul AF. That's foul, bro. That's not DOD. Oh, that sucks. Now we're going to take out that previous high, huh? That's a bummer for sure if we went and tested 147. That's crazy. I still think we could trend up here. I just want to see us testing the zone stops. Probably put them at like 99, just below this. Gotta love this game, right? Yeah. Frustrating day for sure. I would target like 215 probably, like or call it 200. I think we have room up to 200. I have taken one trade this morning. I lost it. I'm down for 130 to 140 though. I'll just end my day a little more red. See if we get down to below this 140. Closer to 130 ideally, but 140 is valid. I'm starting a small piece at 140, guys, of longs. I started longs at 140. Everybody. It's my last trade. I'd prefer to see 130, but started at 140. That's it for me. If I get stopped out, I am... Oh, here we go. That's why it was... Here we go. 140 to 130. That's the area I like. It's the last try for me. Will be the last trade for me, everybody. I'd like to target those highs above like 170. I have an emergency stop down at 98. So you guys know. In case we got some Trump tweet. If I lose this, I'll be done for the day. I'll be 0 for 2. I'd like to see a move above 70. Come on, push it up. Push it up, baby. Push it up to 70, baby. Come on. Come on. I'm moving my stops up, everybody. First price target is almost here. First price target's almost here. Come on. Come on. Give me 70. I moved my stops up to below that candle low, though. So, come on. Come on. Push it up. I want 200 out of this trade. Come on. Push it up, baby. New high a day. Give me 70 plus. 25 points so far. I want to see above 70. I want to see above 70, everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. My stops are set up just below break even, guys. If you guys want to trim, feel free to. We're just about to high a day. I want to see a break above 70. I'm going to go ahead and take a little off up here, guys. We got that touch. It's just at 70. My stops are at break even. I want to see this keep riding. I want to see this keep riding, everybody. I want to see it push to like 200, but my stops are at that candlewick low just in case. I want to see us push above, ideally. In a perfect world. Come on. I want to target 200. Come on. Got a winning trade.
Nice.
Yep. Come on. Give me 200, baby. Give me 200. Bull mask. Where's the bull mask? Where's the bull mask? Where's the bull mask? We need it. Push us. Come on. Push us up. We need the bull mask. Push us up, NQ. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push me up, please. Please. I'm begging you, NQ, please. Please, Nasdaqita, not down. Don't stop me out. Come on. Push us up. The bull says up. The bull says up. It's not working. Don't. Well, guys, we got price target 1 at least. We got PT1, so take that. If I get stopped out, I'll still be slightly red, but basically break even. Happy about that. 1 winner, 1 loser. I still think we could push higher. I just after the start to the day, we'll see. So if it goes below this candle wall, I'll stop out. Still be slightly red, but not much. TP1, PT1, whatever. Same deal. No, come on, push us up now. Give us 200. Give us 200, guys. Come on. Don't be rude, Nasdaqita. Don't be selfish. We're not asking for the world. We're not asking for 1,000,000 points. We're just asking for a move to 200. Come on, baby. These buyers are so weak. You should be ashamed of yourselves, buyers. You should be ashamed of yourselves. Embarrassing. Oh, got 1 winning trade, guys. About 30 points from entry, so we'll take it. I'm still going to be slightly red. These buyers are weak. I'm holding. My stops are below the previous candle low, but I'm holding. It's not looking great. Not looking great. This is not what you want to see. So happy I could get one winner. I wanted to see more continuation out of it. If it stops me out, which it looks like it's about to in about 3 seconds. One winner, one loser. See, that does not look ideal. Does not look ideal. It's holding on, skating on thin ice. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. Out of this trade for negative just under $200. Negative 160. So I'm still red on the day, guys. Still red on the day. I'm still red on the day. Blue my funded on a winning trade. That's interesting. That's literally still at entry. Huh. Well, it's all right. One winner, one loser. One winner, one loser. Still red in the day. One winner, one. It still looks like we can go too. Yep. One winner, one loser. The winner took, what do you mean, DOD? I need to hear that. I literally followed my plan the whole day. What do you mean?
Jdun, you need to hear DOD. 30 points is not nearly enough. If I don't get a 100-point trade, it doesn't count. What do you mean your win rate's not 100%? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? I blew my account on a trade that went back to break even.
That's what y'all be reminding me of, for real. My goodness. It actually still looks decent here for a move up. Oh my gosh, don't crack me up. I still think it looks good for a move up, but I think that my food, my meat should be done. Your plan is a little self-sabotaging. Not really, no. If I can sell some of my position off and then set my stops at break even, I don't care if I get stopped out. I forgot my equilibrium. How do you live? Selling courses or trading? You can ask chat how many times I've caught a winning trade and asked them to quote unquote go buy my course. The answer is 0. It's in at my target now. I believe in this upside still. I believe in this upside still. I genuinely do believe in the upside still until we crack below this 100 to 130 area. I think we want to move. Yeah, I'm happy though. Got back to close to break even. Got a win under the belt. I wanted to see the big move here. I don't hate the long still, guys. If we close, especially if we close this candle strong, we got one more minute. This looks like it wants to go test that 200. You just have to keep stops below like 130. Nice. Yeah, this looks great. I mean, look at that. You don't really get a cleaner setup than this for continuation. Because you know, if we lose this 132, we likely go test 100. Oh, that looks so good too. It literally looks so good for a rip to the upside. Like, actually looks so good. Tell me that doesn't look just fire. Tell me that just don't look fire for a rip to the upside. Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good for a rip to the upside. It looks so good. It's not often my directional bias was wrong, but today it was earlier. That little sneaky setup got me earlier. That little sneaky setup got me earlier. If you're gonna take another trade, you'd want to look for a move to like 150, like probably like in here, with stops below like 130. That'd be the only area that made sense, and you'd want to target 200 still. I would not short up here, no. I would certainly not short. Not with how strong the market is. No way, Jose. I actually like longs around like this 150 area looks great. This pullback down here, even like you could argue 160 with 30-point stop below like 130. I think longs look money bags. Longs look great. Yeah, I'm about to hop back. I'm about to hop back off and go and cook my breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it. Oh, the bison was so fire. I love bison. It feels good on my stomach too. Volume is drying out a little, but I mean, this last candle looked good. Looked decent. That was the buy area, folks. Down there. 160 to 150, where you'd have to have your stops below like 130. If you are trading long, so you'd want to target that 200. I'm not sure we get any lower than that. Maybe if we get a reversal, we do, but I don't think we. I think if we're gonna hold this high, it's gonna be that 150, 150 to 160. Isn't the volume kind of drying out though? I mean, not really. So money will. What do you mean money will? Money will what? Oh! Woo! All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it a day. If you guys like the longs, like I said, 150, 160 area stops must be below that 130. And we got one winner, one loser on voice. I hope you guys all had a great day. Chose DOD. Whether you made money or lost money, as long as you didn't blow yourself up, that is a win in my book. So God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and have a great rest of your day. Choose DOD, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. I'm leaving, so we should get a massive rip up now. See you guys. Peace. Adios. Peace.